So we had a question about a light box from Cupcake Queen, and so hey, we just want to let you know that we're answering your question about the light box. So I looked online today and I found this is for a small light box that maybe like 18 by 24, just something small for a studio. They do make a 24-inch LED shop light, okay? And my suggestion is to use 3/16 tempered glass for the top. Use 1x4s because that's probably going to be the least expensive thing you can find wood-wise these days anyway. And make that rectangle and put a bottom in it, put your light in it, and a little hole in the back to run the cord through, and make you a small light box, because the most important part of it is going to be the LED light in the bottom and the tempered, and I repeat this, tempered safety glass for the top. Do not use an 1/8-inch window pane glass or even a glass that's not tempered. And if you can swing it a little bit more on the cost, use what they call a satin etch and have it tempered. If you can get that satin etch, it's like a beautiful sandblasted surface. Please use safety glass on the top. If it breaks, you know what? You just get the shop vac, clean it up, and order another piece. If you don't use safety glass and it breaks, you're liable to be making a trip to the doctor.
Okay, well, we'll let these fine people get back to their cutting.
Happy glass cutting, everybody.
Happy
This is Barb and
glass cutting.
Ed checking out for the night.